This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, June the 17th, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, you can see pretty much a zonal flow across the northern tier of the country. The disturbance over North Texas is the remnants of Tropical Storm Bill, which will be slowly moving northeastward into the middle Mississippi River Valley later today and into Thursday. Be bringing quite a bit of rain over Dallas, Fort Worth Metroplex, up into Oklahoma and into Missouri. We have a frontal system coming in from the northwest that could bring us some showers and storms by the afternoon into the evening hours. And then it kind of just sticks around here for the next several days. You can see the remnants of Bill over Missouri back into Oklahoma. That's going to move more to the south of the state across, say, St. Louis, into downstate Illinois and Indiana as we move toward the end of the week. You can see that here on Friday. Around here on Friday, it could be fairly dry across the state. However, we cannot rule out an isolated shower or storm any day through the weekend, with highs mainly in the 70s and 80s today through the weekend. Depending on sunshine, we could see even some temperatures even a bit warmer than that. Going into the weekend, you can see the remnants of Bill over the Ohio River Valley. Another system is coming in from the north and west. That could bring us some more showers and storms for the weekend. But on Sunday, it looks to be fairly dry. Morning showers that'll clear out. However, Sunday afternoon, there could be an isolated shower around. But Sunday afternoon and again on Friday earlier, it looks to be the driest of the next several days. But then we go into the new work week on Monday. Here comes another disturbance from the west. Showers and storms once again. Now, timing these out is going to be very fluid. They could be in the evening, the overnight, the morning, the afternoon. We may not know until maybe 24 to 36 hours beforehand. So it's going to be very hard to forecast these as we move forward. Going into Tuesday, you can see that system is now off to the east over the Ohio River Valley up into New England. And then as we go into next Wednesday, a big ridge is over the southern half of the country. See, the main storm track is still across the northern tier of the country. Another storm is going to be approaching from the north and west. That's going to be bringing us some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two along a warm front and then possibly along the cold front later Wednesday night and into the early next Thursday. However, this ridge builds a little further to the north. This system could completely bypass the state. It's another case of a fluid situation. But as we move forward into the extended period on June the 28th or so, we have a ridge building up over the west and a northwesterly flow with a trough over the Great Lakes and into the north and east. You see a disturbance over the area, bringing us some showers and storms. And that'll be the case through the extended period. We've been seeing this trough on the extended period for a couple of days now, centered up in eastern Canada around Hudson Bay. So it's something we're going to have to watch. And even as we move to the end of the forecast on July the 2nd, still a trough over the eastern, about at least the western Midwest, the Great Lakes into the north and east. Ridge pumping up over the west and into the north and west as well. And with that, the ring of fire, showers and storms will be moving in from the north and west again. However, this is still a very fluid situation, so this could be completely different tomorrow and then back to what it is now in 2 days' time. But this is what it is right now, the satellite image from last evening. We had that frontal system approaching from the north and west. The remnants of Tropical Storm Bill, it was still Bill at the time of this recording, over Texas. This will be slowly moving to the north and east, fairly clear elsewhere. You can pretty much see where Bill's going on the watch morning map from last evening. Flash flood watches from South Texas through Oklahoma into Missouri and downstate Illinois. Flash flood watch in Wyoming. Some heat over the south and west and across the Carolina and Georgia coastline. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing pretty much where Bill is going to go, just to the south of the state. However, we could still see about an inch or an inch and a half of rain over the next couple of days.